Welcome. In this video, we will explore the coding problem, minimum deletions to make a palindrome. This is a classic question often asked in technical interviews. We will solve it using an alternative dynamic programming approach that simplifies the logic significantly. Let us define the problem. You are given a string. Let's call it S. Your task is to find the minimum number of characters you need to remove from the string so that the characters remaining form a palindrome. A palindrome is a sequence that reads the same forwards and backwards. For example, if the input is ibgda, we need to return an integer representing the count of deleted characters. Let's look at that example, ibgda. If we remove the letter E and the letter D, we are left with a B, C, B, A. This spells abgba, which is a palindrome. Since we removed 2 characters, the answer is 2. Note that there might be multiple ways to delete characters, but we want the minimum count. Here is the key insight. Trying to decide which characters to delete can be tricky because there are many combinations. Instead, flip the problem. Don't focus on what to delete. Focus on what to keep. To minimize the number of deleted characters, we simply need to maximize the length of the palindrome sequence that remains. This leads us to a simple mathematical relationship. The minimum number of deletions is equal to the total length of the string minus the length of the longest palindromic subsequence, or LPS. If we can find the longest subsequence that is a palindrome, we just subtract that length from the total to get our answer. So, how do we find the longest palindromic subsequence? The standard way involves a specific interval dynamic programming algorithm. However, there is a clever alternative. If we reverse the original string to create a new string T, the LPS of the original string is simply the longest common subsequence, or LCS, between the original string and its reverse. Here we visualize the longest common subsequence table. We compare the string agba against its reverse, abga. We fill this table using the standard LCS logic. If characters match, we add 1 to the diagonal value. If they don't, we take the maximum of the top or left values. The value in the bottom right corner represents the length of the longest palindromic subsequence. Let's structure this into an algorithm. First, create a reversed copy of the input string. Second, run the standard longest common subsequence function on the input string and the reverse string. Finally, subtract that result from the original string's length. This gives you the minimum deletions required. Regarding efficiency, this approach has a time complexity of O of n squared, because filling the LCS table requires comparing every character against every other character. The space complexity is also O of n squared to store the table, though this can be optimized to O of n if we only store the current and previous rows. To wrap up, remember these points. The problem asks for minimum deletions. This is mathematically equivalent to finding the longest palindromic subsequence. We can solve this easily by finding the longest common subsequence between the string and its reverse. Then, simply subtract that length from the total.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.